Okay, we will be a Baba SBTV Africa, so your entertainment redefined. Your friend DJ Nyame, and then you Masabe PB about 4 o'clock. Yes, then the many hour will be more fiancé. Today, if I do this, we will do movie right now. Now, I'll say from United me person short name United USA. Oh yeah, Ashama film producers. And I'm SBTV Africa. I mean, one video be at the 2-year page. That was SBTV Africa. I think it's 15K views and check. Yeah, they will say, oh, Charlie, why is I want to do it now? We need this, we need pen drive, we need this. Pen drive saying, you didn't move into a short video. So, I'm not for say, I shall not for start some movie. Hey, now wake up, I'm saying, no, SBTV Africa. And then your mobile, so you say, India, penocrania, per se, only a womb. So what I say, internet, your from mobile studio say, Omumra, name be discussing and share the way for in a day potting, and now, can I say, I short video and shut down Tiasia into yes, no Mumbrana. I mean, child, the one became so SVTV Africa Studios. Now, the old share is here, like it. Page, you know, now share war, now invite your friends. Now, be some question. Me, come, be some question. It also will be office or be some SVTV Africa. So, my kind of questions now. If I'm DJ once again, and I'm not telling you, I'm going to phone. I'm follow me. I'm sure we have SVTV. So, if you have a call, that's why I do a visa. Oh, no, because so kind of do Charlie, it will be some more about SVTV Africa. So, you man, I'm kind of it will be say, quick one, maybe some say, why Ashama movie producers and as a film producers,
US.
First of all,
yeah, sorry, from
Cypro.
Yeah, the president of Ashama Films.
Ashama Films.
Yeah.
President of Ashama Films.
Yeah.
Into Ashama Films, no more bad bang. Namu ya wana.
Ashama Films, you are check. Ashama Film, they all watch it. But once your industry, they are quiet, unless you push hard before a month for being new. But you are here, and there are so many movies out there, so many Punuas.
Most started movies, you know. Since we are president, you know, most started movies, you know, how many years?
Yakikako almost 9 years old.
9 years, Ashama movie.
Yeah, Nkokra na ebu hayo.
9 years. Now, what maybe say you this are short way to let Mukas and I would have no movie, names and Gali would Nukuma would and I would have no movie. Now, I said Mukum. Now, 9 years, you know, most started 9 years, you know, challenges been a film.
The challenges, you know, is very strong because now the type of movie, yeah, USA, yeah, there's something different. So now in our system, those times, you know, the way I'm for your movie, not the way I say, the amount for NTS. Say I didn't like say yes, it's a for no. Now I didn't. You shouldn't like young say local something. So now I'm for buy idea until say like I'm the type of movie I did before I'm accept it.
Yeah. Oh, okay. It makes me so I don't know the name Ashama movie by because he said you other once then why Ashama movie Ashama for one
Ashama for one.
So why Ashama movie?
Bonia no Ashama na yewo say na bi mo Kumasi and that yeah Ashama.
Okay.
It's they say we are proud of Ashama. We like what we because at the point at the particular things that ama use Ashama and say amount for be say Ashama e yokroboni. Ashama yenya de papa. Ashama de bonen kwa e wini nyama. And we want to prove to them that we are not like those types. Ashama is a very cool place there is so many people who are coming. Is it great people are coming from Ashama, but people don't know.
No,
it's in Stonewall, like you know.
When you say Hamata,
this is our small boy, Ibrahim Mata, and so many people. You see, great things are coming from Ashama, but people don't know. You see, that's why we choose, not that because of that, until they choose Ashama.
You being the president, you know, and then I'll share and some office say, okay, Mufasa di remember a new movie, but any other thing there.
Oh, once a Krobia, Nubian and the talent. Yeah. Maybe like I'm a movie maker.
Okay.
Maybe a movie.
Okay.
If you must say and other things, you know, a Krobia so a Juma or Osa. Yeah, to hear field no. Yeah, movie. You almost on your music. They are more carpenter if it afford you. So we the filmmakers, to boost our industry, Yeah.
Modudo bebe saying.
Oh, yeah, tell me your dorsal.
Modoso pa.
Your dorsal pa.
Na mo challenge much minya sika wa ndi support movie dey utwa sika be kom mo ko set mo ko ha mo nya support ne say na mo dey san yo
hustle obi enyo support here.
Hustle tie obi aka.
Yeah, tie obi aka. But yeah man for once these people put this on the one now they do great work like this. And then chira man for adwen so now you can do type of movie like this. Why are you seeking like for help somewhere? Because the type of movie you don't need help again. I'm on frontiers, but the film I'm paying.
Oh, tell me live on SVTV Africa Entertainment 3D5 DJ Yamemene Ashama film producers and I say we a movie on the sini so what I say President Nankasa na ana ne but quick one, Mami call Barney Chain, sweetheart Brownie. Aha, would you hear them?
But your friend is simple.
Simple?
Yeah, simple.
It was simple. I would also say simple. But Mami is simple. Also, starting moving by 9 years.
Oh, me started here 5 years.
5 years. Movies are in the wake up.
Undertaker. Tasha, we run the city of nonsense, and so on, like a lot.
Now, Mammy, besides, some movies weighing in
oh, those days now, you start seeing not mutum decks like this now. Yeah, they promoting but to see, I know, as a system now, you're slow into I think I take different strategy. I bet me I promoting more. It's nice say about from the Monty and Cabanche.
But I'm not trying to see na cash my power.
Oh, and no more top.
No more top. Why is Casa when your baby say?
And no, I am a manager.
And who is it? What you pay say?
Oh, and they meet me.
Charlie, boss, Ohini Kennedy, also play Robert.
Bisco now on the front.
Bisco.
Yeah.
Also Robert now play.
Movie industry.
Say me himself be also active be also camera and director.
Actor and film producer.
Producer. But also started there 5 years and 9 years.
No, maybe 9 years now.
Hey, you know what you want? 9 years.
Yeah.
Into some movies are in the movie so far.
Oh, so far, me try Trotro TV3. Yeah, me try Asorba TV series no me na do. Me try Water Issues. And me try
my voice no.
Me try Undertaker. Me try Tasha. And your current project and if you try Kofi Adjoro ni e crapping and also a series very soon about.
Oh, okay. So like also no apart from Ashama film, so you work on your like private way and answer
yes, in Nuya. Yes, want to pull your project now the bar.
I said for Kobono. Say also Musi Shabu, Oboban, okay. And also what be your name?
Median Sansa the Richard Bar.
Kasana Mike Blaster
Medina Sansa the Richard, but don't want to film
Polando, aka Polando. Now also so moving started that way.
Make us say 9 years. 9 years.
Hey, 9 years.
Even more than 9 years.
Bro, but they are limiting them.
9 years, bro.
Roughly 9 years.
9 years. Now also so experience woman here then.
Me actor, director, storywriter, producer. I have my own company named Polando Multimedia Consult. Yeah, so then you know
Preso, my member so far also go track bear how many movies? Over 9 years, what track movies be bring boy?
Man, so now me started as a DOP and other things. So the movies that man can make out outside and dozen. But my personal movie, 13.
13.
Yeah.
Okay. But who this share movie what track 13? What you now win your revenue?
And I'm
CDs, yeah, cassette.
Not cassette no me make money. Like once a movie and to and you may say, oh, hit here, Bafuka Crabby now, a hit here, on count, oh, yeah, musician, we hit you. But moving, some moving hit here, thousands of people in Haiti. Those who are selling are on Haiti. Those who are in the movie are hitting, and other people, the crew, the cast. Wrong. You know, movie ni the benefit of na doors so amount for who sa but those days na CD o na enya mfa so bebree because maybe after premiere no onye obi na otumba premiere and so the go see the so normal mo village and other things no omutumi den ehwe but you see na CD na ba for any obi o ntama ye like financial side na difficult but those days na enya skapa and sana this technology thing decoder abra ya sekakra
but one ka sa share trend of industry this is here na since mu ye mutwa movie ni ade emra mo level o share industry this is here o feel say movie no a movie like a cop like photo for purchase
people like people love movie I'm not for a movie but almost sanka like the back I say ebi mu e komo di omo in movie as omo nya bi enhwe because ebi mu level as a premier na mu ntumi nko ho nkohwe ba mu nya pa nko mehwe na movies na ya mo hwe with TV so because omo decoder so mo hwe with TV so old movies latest movies latest aba na omo nya bi nhwe
na office me disasa office den na emma enkofo ni nya movies ni hwe
because of how do you call it CD no any system no bi no
CD ni system
yeah and am for nya bi nhwe apart from the omo yi with TV so yeah
nti office den na cost na CD na fi system na hard because the technology ye kwa enim so CD fi system ma what is the way forward I bet me abwa
idea ebe bu abema film industry na ko high e ba ko pe
ani
omunim so munim na omunim a on person medis no e na producers no it's pen drive
okay say pen drive how pen drive say
make up pen drive uyi CD fi wono ma CD go with piano nko DVD deck and I see no deck no eni hobio or how come for what deck no come on doso you say okube bia obi a with decoder last time me get net or ton CD e wo kro and auto CD na obi hia na but to CD dia okaja say CD no fon ko she ne minimum na mpakuno di na temba dey
so so CD mi ko she
ne minimum bi do mpakuno ni deck o fi or decoder TV na o ko flash screen e bo han ni you should drive until wo feel kwa want man call cinema hall and I say premier ni bi an ko hwe move na wo feel kwa na say wo share pen drive wo kuma obeto na pen drive na ye kan ye pen drive bia keke o enye pen drive bia keke ho asem na ye kan if we stand say we are bringing this pen drive see a big creative job billions of people will get job
even the president himself will even benefit from that
sure
because we bet in Chaka say we want to do this thing for ourselves and we want to benefit from that. But assuming say pen drive now most of the producers are more young they are going to benefit. Because one thing is you can say it's just like I say we are doing premiere and any other stuff. Just watch. Obi wo on him then time at deck wo or kwakoto CDs or the go fie. So upon ejuma at me ko eden okohwe. Now no say my movie na me premiere wo e bia Accra Mall and Silver Bay. That person, that particular person, you know, how do you want the person to get access to the premiering you are doing? What I say because around 9-10, and I say even in the evening 7-8, nipa no oh yeah premiering, or no papa turn the dog and the dog no na na on jai no go him. Nipa no ntimi jai go he. So what we are saying is almost from my being my so that we all say because we better say bia the omo kan omo nim but we are young although maybe they've been in the industry for long so more knowledge but at least no matter how penny etia kwana go to me 24
sure
so they should at least come on board oh okay this is the idea you guys are talking about let's sit down how do we go about it then we also bring our idea it's good it's not good then we all know but say we wet na like I said almost 2 years because that man I learned xylophone interview biama almost this man Safo, whatever he was saying, say we the upcomers in the movie industry. Then I start asking myself, say, what is he trying to mean? Like, how come say we the upcomers in the movie industry?
So sit the movie.
And okay say okay say upcoming and also okay say more producers more industry man movie.
Or say producers.
Or say producers na
yeah producers yeah say film industry. Then ye be moving a TV station. Hey, it's coming here now. What?
David. At the end, I mean, besides say, DJ Nyame. To be frank with you, there times when piano call the wall, I had deck, cassettes, and we feel on the CD by. But like I tell say, before TV station, Ghana, president in the movie. Only some movie industry in front of that and no movie. As well, TV industry by.
I need there's someone new.
So what are they trying to say? Say, yeah, my good industry, you know. So TV station number. I'm a TV station number. Why they didn't the CD ever call say or TV station? Because some it is so come say then times no mass cinemas say you go premiere movie, but you try to near their TV station. Now National Theatre, all your premiere in 2 hours were saying 13,000.
13,000.
2 hours.
Now say more 13,000 major movie you.
Mami o twa me live where SBTV Africa mini ashama film producers na wa say na small problem be so what I say how we na if you say okay you try my studio na abetie the main reason here but also mo ka be say pen drive mami hit you on this pen drive issue pen drive no I don't know special pen drive there obi dia kire mo na say e bia mo idea bi na mo fi say mo dey back on board that because pen drive there sisi an obia pen drive me come na gba bi wo mkotoko
bebre
pen drive enti pen drive dey ebu enti say o ka say pen drive say wo twa movie na wo akoyo pen drive no dey aba na me to pen drive no ma to movie no pen drive say e bia 50 Ghana
okay
meti me the movie no am nkrofo adewe meti me dey share the paddy's laptop no meti me akọ pirates meti me pirate ni nyina na me pirate ni nyina na me pirate me akọ be 100 obi be bisa say obi e dey nya osika wa short for 100
na question we na me twen aba unim sa pen drive na sa kan man fon ti asen say emfaso a wo pen drive we mu na amuti one say pen drive no be create so many job pen drive pen drive no eba ene ma movie no ejuma akosoro ma amanfo enye ejuma ye because first na CD wo no I can remember time me releasing a movie Tasha na dana me releasing movie Tasha no na movie sa e ka me de no ho e ka wa 25 me de to so 25 na e release movie no e Monday e release movie Monday I did change Tuesday no me say I come to 15,000 copies in do 24 hours me to 15,000 copies
15,000
me to 25 oh it imagine from 1 hour to 24 no omo come to wan ACD and then you know every Monday be a movie si back fine ya boss it negu you say in your pen drive in the packaging no ain't to say oh the way it no the pen drive in the beba no enkoye 8 gig enkoye 4 gig enkoye say e be one particular gig and a design
say oba chain would say one particular gig say 100 gig and
maybe 2 gig and 3 gig the way content
so na wo share because me my dream no me bisa ideas kaka me into office chain say office because we say oh you no ni mo share
okay yeah simple moving say by if say 1 hour 30 seconds 1 hour 45 seconds 45 minutes sorry for that into no you say movie no akọ high be a 2 gig and I say 1 point something gig into at least the film industry no you nya 2 gig e be boy and then the packaging e dey baba and yet say other pen driver e wo chrome to say Sandisk Toshiba the way it no so be dey free talk no who phone call say oh you way movie for movie only the way it here your company way there like when you pen drive the way it no mo say is for movies and the way e be protecting no won you protecting na amount for end to make twitwi and now you are saying there you matter how be bet my trade be bet me break code and other things and there oh nimpa so ban no but at least if faso e be ba no amount for be ejima ye won amount for be ejima ma today akufo do kwa e president e wo so no the news ade ho no aba for me now no uko Opera Square mo bi CB shop ni nya o come the phone shop
we call the top abo
the phone shop
see a CD dey fade out
it take only particular people to bring this pen driver a bit me boost the film industry what e don't want that idea no but mo so meka Ghana can the crap we are bonsam
nti okay it will share live with SBTV Africa mini ashama filmmakers no mo say na almost say sisi a movies no ye famu pen drive no so ne yen ton
enye pen drive bia keke
pen drive bia keke special pen drive so what I say and yeah, special pen driver if you from China.
It
is so maybe that's a pen driver. Some organize a mono my research be and ammonia contacts be and I say more idea of what you are talking about. So maybe just okay. You per se a boa ashama film producers and say pen drive ben you buy the pen drive no kwan ben so na mo my research ben na my.
Thank you. Early this year, na research say be fine. Young company way. Omo na yam tuntu kwan di machines e ba na yemfa sa you may be into menum na reason mo ni beji wa. Na yoko panyin no see your panyin pa e bia e the product ntem be say me body no. No say, yes, pretty much wow. It's a great business. Even if it's a business via like everybody will fetch. No say okay fine. One man of Fred, Hong Kong, saying for producer, no go so bit my now the way technology open in Mutama that gig in a panel. Only if a system in ma, on this machines not the class are 2 gig, you know, on the high gig. But you bet to matter more. Almost like I go back to the 2 gig again. No more. And now, friend of no, a back a low price. I'm phone just 10 CD. Sana man catch it. Also, they make a low price. They move into so bit matter on 10 CD. But that first CD quite on 5 CD. About for 7 CD. So if you are selling moving, I will pen drive so 10 CD. Obe your movie as in your pen driver.
Now, obe maybe say 2 gig. Me per movies. I don't know. I said because me per movies, different movies. I don't say because top pen drive 2 gig. Instead of adding na one 20 gig. Now me use movies and more. So me pay more movies are men there.
A movie ba kuno produce here. And I will work on time. Until call Silver Best or Coffee Premium. And move
okay, it's my maybe some apart from pen drive some be I can't technology, new technology in some be. And then because in a bit more on my app, I also call online or share over to the code. If you are bundle, no matter, no money, Kakramani telcos in the app. I don't know your measures. It must stream all movies online.
Okay.
Most money and apart from pen drive, I get more champion in say technology. Online, more online streaming, YouTube, any other portals there no. Then I found.
That's it. Once Ghana you want. I said my because say be me the do be atem and I said yeah I'm bringing the mind of Ghanaians to low. The type of technology I use in do high.
Yeah, Ghana for.
Yeah.
Saying
like all those say ye nyama bi mu benye nyama nya na yenim. And you be no access to Android phone and I said like laptop and other things to go to internet and go and watch movie.
And I also say beside them I say and you be no pen drive TV. Oh, me know the one cry I say. And I say pen drive TV. Young rural area. Who say rural areas for movies seeing? Yeah, wow.
Okay.
Then I make correct was. Who didn't say more grassy now villages here. Almost movies seeing. The reason why I catch out and say, yeah, no, what source of entertainment be
okay.
Or no phone bar, only entertainment to be. So they watch TV and they watch movie more than us. So pen drive now can be brace away grassy pen drive in new way.
And I mean, besides say, only the interest are moving.
Inti, and I mean, besides, Upi apart from pen drive, then you na apart from pen drive now can then you slow your movie down.
Oh, to watch what can one say TV?
And you can say motor movie, cinema, series, cinema, TV. So look at say. If I'm just trying to bring your mind, so maybe another friend. Yeah. It always is a why a movie area and why a series area. The teaser be why you? What's my top TV station be? That's what they are doing now. Oh, unless maybe the movie is not nice.
Oh, yeah.
But they say they are new TV stations. They are on tone, and I say I want to talk airtime. Now, so they company in the bay. We are not my airtime. No matter slot. No, they are running adverts for movie. I just said they do that. Have you ever tried it?
That one is serious.
A series.
So who do movie? Because TV station make a moving way. Another someone say movie and some wow. TV station you are better. I want Ghana has it. forget.
But what about series? Who is series?
Series, but they will not buy. They will tell you they will do partnership.
Yes.
Who lose or lose, who gain, we gain.
Partnership.
But they want to me use
Contract.
want to me use car. Echo outside, echo tall. Those kind of member in India. Those kind of India and I say foreign context, you know. Ebe converting, and then tree. Your friend Chomo, almost billions echo to. But Ghana, yeah.
Boko. Oh, yeah, why is it Africa Entertainment Redefined? Man, to my boy is better bomb. My name is also shout so far the experience and also oh to you know money much trip chat we ni ade office also then na office anka idea be na office we also office bomb board be boa
concerning the year can on say for now no because of multi team in the team crash no uko baby a anya the code ani data sisi ano ebu now can say crash for no hwe movie o ko ye CD we kwa na isi o machine because CD no in our their proper moment on machine. The only thing is pen drive no ebe at least say ye gusu no the compress on koton at least ebi mo mo the code I said the code no compress be ya kwa multi TV no bi abako ma no abere wa be to for is it kopo no eni ho normal digital TV kwa ni go pen drive slot e wo o betimi slot no man dey o machine anything na o can say TV station partnership no to no be no series no be more airtime production can form from now it when your sponsors are what about ya try be pray in acquire to me no we need go TV station ko we man e come here omonje
President my member outside when na am so it is see I say more champion and more fighting for pen drive
sure
say when abani anya den it say anya mu den creative art anya den
isi ano obi be ka say we dey anya aban asem yes we are young kwan ya be fa so pen drive le be ba no is very high for us
and I was say I number spending
oh enyes ke bia but emu eduma ye
almost 300 million company no company no how many pieces on the mamo
5 billion
maybe 3 billion
maybe moko company no pieces are in some be am and I never cost them person it is idea roughly
okay na pieces are since you say man no say ope so di no hu but osuro say odi ni sika ba odi beba yento ye pushing na say to osuro but na o say you to me to 25,000 bibi thousand and yes more you to me to na a movie in canon answer the sika ba ye me won say open business but fear o me too because and yes ka ko to do na ba na ya to na o ye ne den
and I say that cost be say
but ye ka kwete na only 3 billion
3 billion that is 300,000 Ghana cedis
yeah
300,000 Ghana cedis for the pen drive net be brand
no
for how many pieces
half container also
say half container the full container
but guarantee ben and now research ben and officer why your officer says no before we make business you take rates and also test it into we say I don't know because I don't want top pen drive 100 mwanga saw but me print sticker on Ashama movie something na mo fa movie ya mo twa foforo yi muso na mo try wa Ashama nhwe say
thank you
you better to say we be test so so you test and san na we pie ai de di so mo ka say mo nyam pen drive 100 bi na mo de movie ya mo ke ba na ma ye de o say o Ashama sisi aye die ni o ye movie e twa e sisi pen drive so 5 cd 10 cd obi anto
me ba cho min ke bibi ye nya ntwa mfem pie yo but me ne me manager ye concept bi a ye ko Ashaiman abontin so na ye bisa nkofo say some ye movies good pen drive so na ye di ba outer say no mo beji amofo bebre agi atum say omunya yo mo pe especially the market women kofo bebre agi atum
now the man na Canada na just o the year ready now the
government yeah so mo price scramble ebi mo so omunya no 10 cedis 2015 enti one was say bi o mo ni nji hu aka ye bi so mo on be try abo but o mwanga sa can bibi afa won so ye di ba o mo pe because o mo ponko fe o mo nya bibi anhwe no makwati na o mo ni choice say o mo yi wo TV so na me kai say me to kwan ko Volta region baby me ko ye no I like me is about movies like this for movies. Now got like old women or muti one movie say. Na nemo for I walk through my age this more that so almost say the money. So I think say ye be pen drive na ye the bar. They also know say pen drive or more decoder. It's almost lot here when ye be only the shame a brewa rabbit me aye. I be my energy be feel. So they should try for us.
I think so question I'm say
okay.
We deviate kakra. But I think so what can be. People know of TV. People know of CD. People don't know of pen drive. Say the pen drive go moves. Only few people know. And na bibi aba bia na say e bon de ru answer. Pen drive was dey na yenye 100 copy and 50 copy na FM ba na impress on best seller answer. How many people know of that? And na who hear them abon de ru ni nya so yesika. Nobody is trying like be any other try to be wow. Pen drive now who go chrome akoto be 100 pieces no ba ko yesen 20 Ghana. Pen drive ba ko 20 Ghana. Now who do movies say guso. Now pacho be turn the same. One ton kwanye 30 Ghana. Ghana ha obi beti 30 Ghana to movie. Only few people. You see, but what we are talking about, you know, I mean, the pen drive, you know, man, come to man, also the man is a 4 CD or a 5 CD because you turn match quantity so that you make my turn 10 CD per.
It's creative arts, can't say more pen drives, be 1,000, or more 5 CD.
Yeah, better creative art. Our Ghana ha. I'm so one more.
And I'm from movies in Muslim.
Yeah, but on the simple
What about yeah, better but only.
I say CDs here near to CDs.
It's a CD, then I'm okay.
Yeah, but I find the movie.
So creative art some more pa na. I'm on your pen say I'm born no mo yo.
Enti member o, enti obi be bisa mo say musu a musu ahyama fo so a musu. Adan na Kumawood ni Nollywood ni minka Nollywood is Nigeria. Gollywood ni ade no omusu sa. Na musu sa de.
Omusu pa.
Na na mo mba out na fear say
fear.
More time me always me can say ebi ya tu your United States of Ashama or more Gollywood or Kumawood, but we are not into any challenge with anyone. We are all one people. What we are doing is we are fighting for the movie industry. I have famous stars which I know people who are telling me they want to give up in movie. I can show you the charts.
They want to give up
in movie because no one is calling them for movie. And when the movie comes, no, it's only for premiering. As recently, the Ghana Movies Award no yeah, we also no interview Golden Movies Award no. We also interview Jackie Appiah and Neon Count. Now they were all talking that these days we don't see you on TV and all that. I'm not more because movie na apart from you understand. Say eba who call for premiering as after premiering no more so how do those people like now youth now mostly okay Jackie Appiah ko ni because those days and I know money mom but now no be no you know
maybe so the office movie actors the producers ni and the office mo ye baako
yeah nye baako
office no so nye problem
ejime bia e was asase so no untumi nya ni say obi aba e baako sa normal o company
the reason me bisa o say me nko all actors ni actress but me we come one camp Ashama for
okay
division wo
our Ashama
and movie mo product mo because you can say badge for be call different interview
yeah
and another badge so champion for Wales so also mo call one they call also Sami ono
we don't know them but they are more canon nothing say like support like our line like our line but now we don't know them. Once I don't know. I don't know them.
But apart from mono, apart from mono, you different movie producers who are shamana. Apart from
yeah.
Yeah, those so. Na because he nya me yaba. Enti me be ginim ama ebi mo.
No, maybe some group. So you're president.
Yeah.
It's maybe some members now one.
Yeah.
Who was shama no? Who didn't say another movie in Gofobis or some group or movie ana?
I was shama. No. Production be brave.
Mwana moye ashama obi ani foforo bi ani obi.
Obi ka so ashama or USA team at.
And I'm mo champion for one course.
Yeah.
Say yenye ni na pen drive. But eba sa no mo name now for Kumawood for ni bi akasa say ye mra together na dey we nyan fight.
Yeah.
Most of them.
Ebi mu no support. but the way
mama support.
Yeah, call the producers, no.
She said one am.
Oh.
I don't know. It's all in Kinsoba Multimedia.
Kinsoba Multimedia. Okay.
Because
the reason I'm making say, I quite say more cassette say more kwana push out the but Kuma would no soon push out.
Oh, they are pushing.
It's the other na back together na mun say okay. Yeah, kwako demonstration and I say near paying a pese ni hu se ni nyam pese.
One thing they say. I don't know how they want the thing. It's in the way they kind of film village, you know.
Film village ni this is the problem I'm person metiasi. Mo dem open down na mo pe mo so mo pe film village.
And you are not talking about film village o.
You see a pen drive.
Okay.
Because mo dem mo movies no wo ba mo pe push na mo be nya musika.
Yeah.
But film village mo so mo pe film village. So that means someone said they make kind about the same square say course na nya ade a mo nyina mo visa mo ye pe we e mo so pe different thing. So about then I
film village in class I wait that particular video na me wo kwa na nipa no anya obi of Accra. But I say mostly so me share video ni yo mo wo e chin na we like stars no most of them were from Kumasi.
Yeah.
So now
they are not producers.
Maybe start producers.
No producer obeka asem.
Maybe start producers be I mean producers association will be more. Now maybe start mo say. So what is this thing about? Most of them can say omun nim about whatever is going on.
They don't know.
And I'm saying so what's the meaning of that film village? I'm saying they don't have any idea about it. I'm saying so are they going to build it for us to go and shoot a movie there or to go and premiere movie there?
They say sure.
Only idea be
okay, my maybe some motivate share Socrates Safo because I'm so a member of the creative art.
I think say you can share by their
one authority one of which share is here. As I dey mo person mo ye me say na social media but I know solve issue no.
Okay.
Then and a moment I move to say mo creative art say mo film producer head e dia we say then am we
send you can you turn among bebree. Enyama bebree ono ma ye ntumi nkan ye say na ye mbu ebi mu anaten. Ye tu ano ma bebree say enye social media pe o. Ya kwempem febu a dey tu monim. Like what like asama ye tu no it sound foolish to them. Like then tender says
maybe say maybe person me who say creative art I dey be na mo na creative art. Marco creative art office and answer Marco says, oh, this is what we want to do. If he say any more meeting, if he say I be chileni, if he say near the Bible bois, oh okay, be almost no back almost no idea be almost okay, I bet one mama if he's adding a key is saying because Socrates cast up so share or mom go kasa or xylophone say of so share near the bad since I am more different people that's a more to an mom say you bet mama Socrates Safo na ma mo my friend but me share no you bet after when met me Socrates Safo na ma I met me their mama mo pa mo friend na mo so mo go share na dey mo person mo ye no
okay
because ono mo under him okay creative way no nti na idea what about say okay so we be okay mate me feel say ye for we ye we feel me feel say okay anya bad idea na mo dey be sa atuja but someone call right source. Now we go be and we are more near right source. My God, never there. Oh, me I know like because I near the field.
Yeah.
But Socrates, when you producers, the same one, they know what you guys want. Okay. They know they all want because this pen drive okay. Me mateda.
Okay.
Many salinku. I interview SBT Africa pen drive.
Okay.
Oh, I check. Somewhere last year or the last 2 years. Okay, I say movies here van go pen. Okay. E bi mo aka few go for bika. E wo, they mo ka I guess I maintain that Matilda, but I was just trying to see more side, you know.
Okay.
Say, Mokope. So I think say a good say I make Kasawa, if I'm so Christian number, say be war after. Namusumu friend. Namuka say Muna Moya Shama, we will move some moon on open to we obey like I said. Then you find with him. But I did back I said Miss Mimamu say online in Mascapa. Online streaming, you know. My name is very serious. Online stream very serious.
Okay.
And content I will crowd. On content I will crowd. So the movie go say YouTube and all the go your streaming portals they bring. You can go and do your own research. The more emotion you get your number to me in a crowd or not, we shouldn't rely only on the pen drive. But President Bezo, in my platform before you ever sign on, so you will be able to.
The more can say, you're paying for more film industry. You're paying for no. Yes, Roma, yeah, idea, but they say this is what we need a pen drive device. No. Yes, sir, I'm from Nancy from now, only be found. Maybe this time, no one say be a bound for sure. But to us, we know say a big creative job. I'm for CD and to 200 those days, time I see the one. You see, I'm on for embracer. So those who are in the film industry, only a map, but they are not producers, but they only have some budget and one crap or ton cramp. It's a comedy delivery. So it's not about the producers only, or it's not about the directors only. It's about the youth that are coming. So I'm also almost I'm a system, no, a common about from Gakra. It's only being found. Cinema horse, it's very good. That one too is very good. The pen drive too, it will count a lot. That's the
My uncle for no so bravo, you can press or Casai, you also can be.
Many BB account, but the
Oh, Bibika.
I know you are Casa, your account.
Casa.
The American United said, like, Omunti, yes, some phenomenon, because you were actress, Bebre, Ewa Bonte, if it's a time I fell a cafe by a young will be a and you were raw talents, Bebre, or outside a boy, and music, there will be a no matter what to new man will be a hit. In some Mumbai, a high dear chair, but say MP.
So, I don't know.
Canada SBTV for us. Say, on my platform, the CM Rania. And my chair idea can cry as well. Yeah, well, yes, sir, they say, the idea near the pen drive, 24 months on me, on your more, and now, yes, at least, Yaka kind of, I move for this, I move to Walu. Scan you up, scan in answer. Internet, Yaka can't at least, yes, really. If I share, yeah, wish ya.
Okay.
Oh,
it's Operation Pen Drive.
Operation Pen Drive.
So I will share video now. What hashtag Pen Drive? First of all, we thank SBTV Africa as on this platform to share ideas. And first of all, we are not into competition with anyone.
Sure.
As a Gollywood, Kumawood, Hollywood, whatever, we are not into competition with anyone. And for the Gollywood and Kumawood, we are all fighting to rise this movie industry back on its feet, because we all know whatever is going on in the industry. In Timothy, we are, and yes, we are fighting to be. You all should support. Let's build the industry back on its feet. Thank you very much.
Yeah, the master say, Moshe SVTV Africa Entertainment Redefined, and Ashama film producers. Yeah, the master will pass it through USA. I'm saying United States of Ashama. United States of Ashama. I better master pass it through SVTV Africa Studios. If I'm a DJ Nyame, I better master subscribe to your YouTube channel, like a page. Now, mon share on the wall. The more interviews, the better. The social issues are. When you say our hobby, so what I say, oh, problem being officer in discuss and up say can what your friend, we up and coming artists now music video near the say push more. Event because of a stream more SVTV Africa. The producers Kobi Sakite DJ Click into Ushamu Kuma. The only thing